Hola amigos, welcome to Thoughtful Spanish. In today's dialogue, we're diving into the fascinating world of ser and estar, two of the most important yet often confusing verbs in the Spanish language. Join Ana, Carlos, and their teacher as they explore various examples and rules that will help you clarify when to use each verb. Acompáñanos. Good morning, class. Today's Spanish lesson is about two verbs that can be tricky, ser and estar. I always mix these up.
Me too, but let's pay attention.
Okay, you might have heard that ser is for permanent things, like yo soy profesora, I am a teacher. But it's also used for identification like names and nationalities. For example, yo soy Ana, I am Ana, or yo soy de Canadá, I'm from Canada. Okay, that's not too hard. Soy Ana because that's my name, and soy de Canadá because that's my country of origin.
Got it?
Ser is also used for telling time and stating dates. For example, son las dos, it's 2 o'clock.
So, if I want to say, today is Monday, I would use ser?
Exactly, you'd say, hoy es lunes. Now, estar is for temporary conditions like feelings, like estoy feliz, I am happy, but it's also used for locations. For example, estoy en la escuela, I am at school. So I can say, Carlos está en la escuela because Carlos is at school right now. Perfect, Ana. Okay, so there are some special cases that don't fit neatly into the rules we've talked about. For example, we say, la silla está rota to mean the chair is broken. Even though being broken seems like a permanent state for the chair, we use estar because it's the result of a change.
Wow, there's a lot to remember.
Yeah, but now it's a bit clearer. You're doing great, kids. Don't worry. Practice makes perfect. Now, let me give you the conjugations for these two regular verbs. Ser, yo soy, tú eres, él, ella, usted es, nosotros somos, ellos, ellas, ustedes son. Estar, yo estoy, tú estás, él, ella, usted está, nosotros estamos, ellos, ellas, ustedes están.
Are there more rules we need to remember?
Yes, here's a brief summary of two acronyms to help you memorize them easily. Doctor and place. So, doctor. D, description, characteristics. Ella es alta, she is tall. O stands for origin. Ellos son de Argentina, they are from Argentina. C, characteristic, el gato es blanco, the cat is white. T for time and date, hoy es lunes, today is Monday. O for occupation, María es profesora, María is a teacher. R for relationship, ella es mi madre, she is my mother. Estar for place. P, position, physical position or posture. Ellos están sentados, they are sitting. L for location, el libro está en la mesa, the book is on the table. A for action, ongoing action. Estoy escribiendo, I am writing. C for condition, temporary state. El agua está fría, the water is cold. And E for emotion, nosotros estamos felices, we are happy. I leave you all the rules and examples in a worksheet. Just download it and practice.
Taking a chance.